Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to uninstall Firefox from your Windows 10 PC. So in order to do that, click on search and type control panel. So here you will be getting some options, and in that options you need to click on uninstall a program. Here you will be having some different applications that are running in your PC right from the beginning of the installation of Windows 10. Some drivers may be there, or some applications which are useful for your needs, they are also present. So here I want to uninstall Mozilla Firefox. So look, click on the application what you want to uninstall and click uninstall. Click yes on the pop-up. Click yes. So click on next. It will be uninstalling. Click uninstall to continue. No, I don't want to tell Mozilla why I uninstall it, so click on finish. So here you can see that Mozilla Firefox has been uninstalled, and similarly Mozilla maintenance service, that one also I need to uninstall. So click on uninstall. Okay, it's already been uninstalled, so click on refresh. That's it, your PC is now free of Mozilla Firefox.